A blessed day, learners. Be ready and prepare yourself as we embark, learn, and enjoy this video. This time we study the law enforcement landscape in the Philippines, roles, specialized units, and recent reforms. Be safe, and God bless you always. This is Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Philippine National Police, PNP. Pambansang Pulisya ng Pilipinas, PNP. Role, Primary Law Enforcement Agency in the Philippines. Tungkulin, pangunahing ahensyang nagpapatupad ng batas sa Pilipinas. Supervision, under the Department of the Interior and Local Government, DILG, as per Republic Act No. 11,229. Supervision, sa ilalim ng Department of the Interior and Local Government, DILG, alinsunod sa Republic Act No. 11,229. Specialized Units. Mga espesyal na unit. 1. Drug Enforcement Group, DEG, investigates and prosecutes drug-related crimes. Drug Enforcement Group, DEG, nag-iimbestiga at nag-uusig sa mga krimeng may kinalaman sa droga. 2. Special Action Force, SAF, specialized in high-risk law enforcement operations like hostage rescues and counter-terrorism. Special Action Force, SAF, espesyalista sa mga high-risk na operasyon ng pagpapatupad ng batas tulad ng mga pagliligtas sa hostage at kontra-terorismo. 3. Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, CIDG, investigates complex and high-profile crimes. Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, CIDG, iniimbestigahan ang mga komplikado at mataas sa profile na krimen. 4. Aviation Security Command, AVSECOM, ensures security at airports and with regard to aircraft. Aviation Security Command, AVSECOM, tinitiyak ang seguridad sa mga paliparan at patungkol sa sasakyang panghimpapawid. 5. Highway Patrol Group, HPG, enforces traffic laws and provides assistance to motorists. Highway Patrol Group, HPG, nagpapatupad ng mga batas trapiko at nagbibigay ng tulong sa mga motorista. 6. Maritime Group, MG, enforces maritime laws and conducts search and rescue operations. Maritime Group, MG, nagpapatupad ng mga batas pandagat at nagsasagawa ng mga operasyon sa paghahanap at pagsagip. National Bureau of Investigation, NBI. Role, investigative agency under the Department of Justice, DOJ, responsible for national-scale or high-profile crimes. Tungkulin, ahensya ng investigasyon sa ilalim ng Department of Justice, DOJ, na responsable para sa mga pambansang krimen o high-profile na krimen. Specialized Units. Mga espesyal na unit. 1. Cybercrime Division, investigates and prosecutes cybercrimes. Cybercrime Division, nag-iimbestiga at nag-uusig sa mga cybercrime. 2. Anti-Human Trafficking Division, investigates human trafficking cases. Anti-Human Trafficking Division, iniimbestigahan ang mga kaso ng human trafficking. 3. Anti-Fraud and Financial Crimes Division, investigates fraud and financial crimes. Anti-Fraud and Financial Crimes Division, nag-iimbestiga sa pandaraya at mga krimen sa pananalapi. 4. Organized Crime Division, investigates organized crime syndicates. Organized Crime Division, nag-iimbestiga sa mga sindikato ng organisadong krimen. 5. Forensic Division, provides forensic analysis and training. Forensic Division, nagbibigay ng forensic analysis at pagsasanay. Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, BJMP. Role, responsible for the safekeeping, rehabilitation, and reintegration of detainees. Tungkulin, responsable para sa pag-iingat, rehabilitasyon, at muling pagsasama ng mga detenido. Specialized Units. Mga espesyal na unit. 1. Special Operations Force, SOF, responds to jail disturbances and high-risk situations. Special Operations Force, SOF, tumutugon sa mga kaguluhan sa kulungan at mga sitwasyong may mataas na peligro. 2. Gender and Development Unit promotes gender equality and human rights of detainees. Gender and Development Unit, itinataguyod ang pagkakapantay-pantay ng kasarian at karapatang pantao ng mga detenido. 3. Medical and Dental Service, provides healthcare services to detainees. Serbisyong medikal at dental, nagbibigay ng mga serbisyo sa pangangalagang pangkalusugan sa mga detenido. 4. Social Services Division, offers social welfare and development programs to detainees. Social Services Division, nag-aalok ng social welfare and development programs sa mga detenido. Arrest process in the Philippines. Proseso ng pag-aresto sa Pilipinas. Officers must have probable cause to make an arrest. Ang mga opisyal ay dapat may probable cause para maaresto. Proper identification and stating the reason for the arrest are required. Kinakailangan ng wastong pagkakakilanlan at pagsasabi ng dahilan ng pag-aresto. Arrested persons have rights, including the right to remain silent, legal counsel, and information about charges. Ang mga naaresto ay may mga karapatan, kabilang ang karapatang manatiling tahimik, legal na tagapayo, at impormasyon tungkol sa mga kaso. The right to a prompt and impartial trial is guaranteed. Ang karapatan sa isang maagap at walang kinikilingan na paglilitis ay ginagarantiyahan. Officers must respect the human rights of arrested persons and avoid unnecessary force. Dapat igalang ng mga opisyal ang karapatang pantao ng mga narestong tao at iwasan ang hindi kinakailangang puwersa. Recent developments and changes. Mga kamakailang pag-unlad at pagbabago. Enacted laws, Anti-Torture Law, Republic Act No. 9745, and Human Rights Victims Reparation and Recognition Act of 2013, Republic Act No. 10368. Pinagtibay ng mga batas, Anti-Torture Law, Republic Act No. 9745, at Human Rights Victims Reparation and Recognition Act of 2013, Republic Act No. 10368. Oversight bodies, Philippine National Police Internal Affairs Service, PNP-IAS, and National Police Commission, NAPOLCOM. Oversight body, Philippine National Police Internal Affairs Service, PNP-IAS, at National Police Commission, NAPOLCOM. Reforms, Human Rights Training, PNP Human Rights Desk, and the PNP Internal Affairs Service. Mga reforma, pagsasanay sa karapatang pantao, PNP Human Rights Desk, at PNP Internal Affairs Service. Improve coordination and cooperation between law enforcement agencies, such as a joint task force between the PNP and NBI to investigate drug-related crimes. Pinahusay na koordinasyon at kooperasyon sa pagitan ng mga law enforcement agencies, tulad ng joint task force sa pagitan ng PNP at NBI para imbestigahan ang mga krimeng may kinalaman sa droga. New information. Bagong impormasyon. PNP is equipped with body-worn cameras to record interactions with the public. Nilagyan ng PNP ng mga body-worn camera para mag-record ng pakikipag-ugnayan sa publiko. PNP is providing mental health training to reduce the risk of police violence and suicides. Ang PNP ay nagbibigay ng mental health training para mabawasan ang panganib ng karahasan ng mga pulis at pagpapakamatay. PNP is shifting to a community-oriented approach to law enforcement, working with communities to address crime problems. Ang PNP ay lumilipat sa isang community-oriented na diskarte sa pagpapatupad ng batas, nakikipagtulungan sa mga komunidad upang matugunan ang mga problema sa krimen.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.
I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from our topic learning guide to criminology, criminal law and jurisprudence. If you learned something from this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you have comments, questions, or suggestions, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Hoping that we meet again in my next video, and God bless you always. It is the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.